In this video, I'll show you how to clear a paper jam on your Epson EcoTank ET-2400 series printer. So there's multiple things you can do if you have this problem, and I'll show you all of them. So one of the most obvious one, let's start with this one, is to remove any paper you have in the back. Open this small lid over here and take a look inside of your printer from this small opening here. Check if there is anything stuck, and if there is, try sticking your fingers there and pulling it out. You can do the same thing in the front, but actually this small lid over here goes down and the top part here goes up. So if you pull it up, it has a small prop over there that keeps this open. And now we have a nice view inside of the printer. Now I suggest that you turn off your printer at this point if you're gonna stick your fingers inside, and just check if there is any paper stuck there. You just have to pull it out. Now if you do not see any issue, you don't see any paper stuck, another thing that can happen is these ribbons over here and the other one over there may get disconnected over time, or sometimes even after just a few weeks. If one of this ribbon gets disconnected, it will go in the way of the print heads that are moving left and right when printing, and this will cause the jam. So make sure they're all attached like this. You see, they're all together, and just bring it together and attach them the way you see it here. Same thing with the other ribbon. If it's disconnected, or if you see anything weird, maybe even a paper stuck in between these ribbons, remove it. Another thing that can happen is that a small piece of paper can get stuck under the print heads. Right now the print heads are on the left side over there. Usually this carriage moves left and right. So just pull these down like this with your hand. Do not disconnect anything, and try to take a look and see if there is something stuck over there where the print heads are located. Another thing you can check is that if all these gears are aligned properly. You see on the left side you have these two white gears that goes like this, and if we switch to the right side, I know it's a bit hard to see, but you have this gear over there that goes with another white gear. Make sure both of these are aligned, because sometimes if they get misaligned with time, the roller won't work and you'll get that error message. To put down the lid, you just have to lift it up and then pull it down. Put it down, sorry, not pull it down, and then bring back this door. If it's not aligned properly, just pull it up and then it will go down by itself and close the door. If you get all these four lights flashing, you may not have a paper jam. The problem could be that your printer needs a firmware update, and you'll need to do it using a USB cable. I have made a separate video on my channel showing you how to do it. So check it out if you think this may be the issue. If not, please leave a like, comment down below if you have other ways on how to fix this paper jam problem, and I'll see you in the next video.